Hey everybody, it's Michael Cologne with Travels with Michael, and I am doing this month's unboxing video for April 2023. And this month's box it's called Parked, and I'm gonna read it. The tagline here, it says, is a camp chair that packs down smaller than a shoebox. Clearly this is bigger than a shoebox, so we'll see what it looks like inside. But yeah, let's go ahead and do it. I don't have my scissors in front of me, so we're using my letter opener to unbox this. I'm gonna be safe here. Be safe. I always like when I get my things from Bespoke Post because I always use them. I used last month's all the time, which is the speaker. I love all my stuff from Bespoke Post. I try to get stuff that I can use when I'm traveling and or camping, or sometimes a lot of the stuff can be used even when I'm on set, which I think something like this will work when I'm on set filming or when I'm doing photography. It'll be nice to have a little chair, you know, a place to sit. I can sit, put my stuff, or the model can sit and put their stuff. So, all right. Okay, this is called Park, but apparently they call it WREN. Maybe that's the name of the chair. Kind of exciting. Okay, so it's in there. Here's all the paper. Recycle. Yeah, it's not that big at all. Look at this. Let's say that box. I'm excited. Look at all the fun stuff we get from Bespoke Post. Oh, I love the case too. Look at this. It comes like a nice zipper case. Oh yeah, so WREN is the name of the brand. I guess they just call it Parked. But look, it's cute. Like, it's got like little handles. Well, this will look nice in my set bag when I'm doing photography and stuff. Unzip it. I probably won't take the whole thing up because I don't want to put it back together yet. But yeah, just take out a little case here. Here's the chair. Comes with 4 little things. I don't have to look and see what these are, but 4 feet. Oh no, it looks like that they screwing up the joints if I look at the picture. I'll have to play with this, but this is actually, oh yeah, you can kind of see like there's little joints here. So it looks like these things fit into the joints right here. But I don't want to put it in here because I want to read the instructions. I don't want to mess it up, but look how big. It's not very big at all. So it rolls right up, fits right back in here. I'll be the one that unpack it while I'm talking to you guys, and I'll be able to leave it back in. So I should probably read everything first. But yeah, this is kind of cool. It just goes right back in here. I'll have to do a follow-up video. Yeah, it's kind of fun. So, and I like the color blue. Blue is a cool color, so it's just right up. And it's not even heavy at all. Actually, it's nice and light, and it feels very sturdy. So, I can't wait to try this out. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So yeah, it's the WREN Compact Camp Chair. On Bespoke Post, it's called Parked. Yeah, this is actually, I'm just looking at everything. This is actually kind of cool. See what it says. I gotta put my glasses on, but here's what it says on the thing. It says, features, 6082 aluminum body, 6000 Oxford polyester fabric, woven side pockets. Oh, there's pockets? That's actually really cool. Anti-sink feet and 300-pound capacity. This whole thing, when unfolded out, it's 300-pound capacity. That's actually really amazing. Open the chair, and then instructions. Open the chair frame by inserting the aluminum rods into the joints until they pop into place. Attach the mesh seats to the frame, top side first. Secure the bottom, and you're ready to plop down. That doesn't seem that difficult. Then I guess you just undo all that stuff and put it back together. So I'll have to do that. That'll be exciting. But yeah, it's a great, and I'm looking at the photos, and this is a good beach chair. It could be a good set chair. It could be a good photography when I'm doing, and camping, and maybe even hiking, because I guess it's not that heavy. So, all right, awesome. Well, this is Michael Cologne with Travels with Michael, and I look forward to your next adventure. Thank you.